I don't think there's a company out here in the renewable industry that puts the same investment into training and talent development that Pearce does. We've gone ahead and invested in a state-of-the-art training facility. And what that's going to do is be able to create the future talent that is going to solve the problems that we're all facing today.
Here at Pearce, we believe in investing in our people. We believe in investing in their technical training, leadership skills, professional development. We're only as good as our team.
We have enormous capabilities here, and we have a couple things that are going to set us apart from all the other training centers in the area or even in the United States. We have a full 28127 wind turbine that has the capability to be powered up and do live technician wind training on it. And we also offer the live training with battery storage and solar. So setting up the new facility, we didn't hold back. We wanted to be able to offer something that the other companies out there aren't offering. So we wanted to use less simulated training and more live training.
There aren't a lot of companies that you can go to that have 26,000 square foot training facilities. So not only do we have classroom training, but we actually have the equipment to do hands-on training as well.
Here at this facility, we actually have our newest and greatest platform training unit. They will be able to perform rescues on pretty much any type of wind turbine environment. One of the greatest things about Pearce is, since we do service many different industries in renewables, the technicians themselves do have the opportunity to also explore other divisions. For example, if a technician is in wind and they eventually decide to want to try solar or battery storage, they have that opportunity to do so. I believe that's one of the greatest things a company can do to add value to their technicians, is expanding their knowledge and expanding their capabilities.
This is really a way to attract the best talent, to build up the capabilities and skill sets of that great talent, and to create an outlier team in Pearce. And at the end of the day, we're making an outsized investment in making sure that we equip our team with the best skills, the best experiences, and the best growth trajectory.